screen with the factor back here again. I'm going to do a quick video. I know y'all always saying, she always good, got a quick video. Well, I don't really go nowhere, but I only do my makeup and do a video when I'm inspired to do it. So I'm just inspired today to do my no makeup look that is I use now to quickly get out, to go to work, or if I'm going somewhere, because when you do a whole deep face, it takes a long time, and my husband is tired of me taking so long. So I said, let me find a new technique. So this is my technique. What I came up was easier for me. So I'm gonna come on. I already did my, you can see, I did my eyes already off camera, and I leave everything that I use for my eye look in the description box below. But if y'all guys wanna see this quick look that I did, you can leave it down in the comment section, and I'll do it for y'all guys. So let me get started, because I got to be at 2 eye appointment by 5:20 or somewhere around there. So I got to get busy. Okay, it should take that long. Okay, I already primed my face, and I'm priming my face with Becca. It is the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I love this primer because it keeps my face matte, because I'm oily. I'm combination oily. And what else did I use? I use this right here. It's called Skin Prep Pre-Makeup Skin Toner. I use this right here as well. It keeps it. I noticed that since I started using this, I don't use a lot. You don't need a lot. I'll leave where I got this from in the description box below as well. So this is what I use for my primer. So let's get busy. So what I do, this is not actually my skin color, but it's darker. I can't use this right here because it's too dark for me. It's what is this anyway? I can't really see it. You know, that's why I need to go to the eye doctor, because I can't really see it. I'm gonna wear contacts. But this right here, this is from LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is the darker shade they got right here. This I got this, but it's too dark for me, so I'm just gonna use this to start off under my eyes. Okay, you don't need a lot, just enough to cover the dark marks and bags. Okay, I got my damp beauty blender. Where my real techniques. Sponge, but it's not a beauty blender. You gotta do this stuff fast, because it'll dry quickly. Okay, and then I just take, I know this light, but I'm gonna use this darker from Sacha Buttercup matte face powder. I don't know the name of it, but I'll find out what the name of it is, because I can't really see it, but I'm, you know, for the sake of this video, so it won't be so long, I'll find out what the color I used in this. But it's some Sacha matte face powder. I use this. I know I normally use the Buttercup one with this actual Toffee, but I'm going to use the darker one today, and I'll show you why. And I use this brush. It's the buffing brush. I think it's the Real Techniques brush. Yeah, I know y'all hear that fan. Ugh. But it's hot with all these lights. Okay. Now, what I do is use my foundation as a corrector. I usually use this, but I'm you know, the LA Girl, the orange and the LA Girl, but I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation as a corrector. I'm gonna squirt a little bit, like probably about 2 squirts, and I'm just gonna go where I got my dark marks. Yeah, I'll see what I'm doing in a minute. It'll pull together. I just put it on all my imperfections. And mainly I put it around my mouth with my smile lines. I don't have a lot, but I just put it around there. And I got a spot right there. I should have put something on my nose. got some, and the foundation I'm using is the Bare Minerals Cappuccino, number 27. And then I just take my Real Technique sponge and get with the excess that I got left on there and go around, put it in, put it in. It's not a lot of foundation like I normally put on. I just go where my imperfections are. Now that I think I got it where I wanted it at. And then I just look and see whether I see any more spots. I probably take a couple of more pumps. Well, I put this right here, I only need one. It's mainly this side that has the most imperfections. Yeah. Make sure. Just blend it in. Just going back over, spreading your makeup out. It's a lot less than you usually do. Now, if you you don't want to add no more extra to this, you can go out just like this. Just put your powder on and go on about your business. But me, I like the contour. Okay. Now, I'm getting ready to put this, the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. What color is this? Look like it's 10, 30 or something like that. But this is real light. And I'm going to highlight under my eyes. Can you tell the difference than the other one I put on there? Just to highlight under my eyes. And I'm just going to do that. Over here. Here. You don't have to do this. There's some steps you can skip. I just prefer to do this. Take my Real Technique sponge, still damp. See how it brightens them in your eyes? And I just take my wet wipe here and take some of that excess stuff off. I like my concealer to sit for a minute, so as I'm doing that, I take the powder that I'm going to use, just right here again, the Sacha powder, it's not buttercup, sorry. Take the excess off, and just go under, like I'm doing a contour, under my, right here. Because I'm going to take the Sacha Buttercup and put where I highlighted. And I just do like this over my face. Okay, now I just take my same beauty blender, but I turn it the other way. And I take it, excess, Put it under my eyes. Like I said, some of these steps you can skip. But this right here is easy. I get out here quicker. I notice when I don't put so much foundation on. Just hit the spots that I need. See how that? And then go here. Now let me get my contour thing. Oh y'all, this right here I got from PUR, and it was in my box charm. And y'all, this smells so good. I didn't realize it smelled good like that. And I take these two colors here and blend them together, and it's called what was it? Inventor and Founder. And I just do my contour. And I just take it. I always run it against my jawline. Okay, and then what I do is take my Real Technique sponge and take it and come through here. You don't have to do this, just me. Just get you like you got a vomit. Okay. And while that's sitting there, then what else I did? I just took it and go around it. Y'all can still see it's new to me. And let's take it slightly. Okay, and that's what I do, and I'm done. So I'm a go off cam, come back, I'm gonna have my highlight and all that stuff done, and then I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. Alright. Okay everyone, this is the finished product. I am finished. Got my lippy on. And it still look like I got makeup on, but less. Okay everyone, I got to get out of here. I love you guys. And again, like, share, and subscribe. And always push that bell button so you can get my next video. Till next time, I'll see y'all in the next video.